Hi guys, my name is Yes and I'm back from music video reaction, and this sound's gonna be for B.A.P's Rain Sounds. Look at the time. 7:24 a.m. I haven't slept all night. I was literally waiting for this music video to come out. I heard it was gonna be midnight. Suddenly it turned out to be 3 a.m. Suddenly it's 6 a.m. Suddenly it's 7:24 a.m. You know what? This is the last time I'm ever listening to like fangirls, like rumors. You know what? Next time I'm just gonna like just refresh the page every 2 seconds rather. You know what? I don't know. Like, I'm just pissed off. I'm tired. Like, I'm sleepy. Let's get started. I heard it was gonna be like some sort of like depressing or something. The teaser looked awesome. Guyliner. 사랑을 이별에 묻다 창밖에 잊어버린 비바람이 불려 새벽에 듣는 라디오 소리엔 익숙한 음악들이 생각나기엔 딱 좋아 비어있는 커피잔 독에 네가 없는 자리는 외로움 같아 두네 혼자 길거리를 걷다 찾아가는 카페 영화관을 본다 나조차 속에 잠기는데 넌 어떨까 이 날씨 온게 스치는 바람까지도 기억이 나가 그저 지나간 흑백 필름처럼 잊혀질 사람 아직도 널 그리워하다 난 잠이 들어 비내리는 밤 오늘은 난 잠 못 이뤄 소리가 네 목소리인지 날 부르는 소리인지 와우 나만 널 생각하니 네가 나를 위로해줄까 이런 내 맘을 I like their new hair color. Like, it looks, I don't know, more believable than a blonde hair. Green. I think that's like the official color for TS Entertainment. Oh my god! Zillow. Or Jello. I don't know, people are saying, did they pronounce his name Jello? He looks so weird with the guyliner. Okay, I like the set. I like the set a lot. I like Donyeon's vocals. He's pretty awesome. Wow. Is this rated 19? I don't know what's going on. I am seriously so proud of them. Like, B.A.P is like one of those groups like who they made a debut in 2012, and since then they've been huge. Like, honestly, I can't think of anyone besides XOK who actually made a huge impact. Like, I am so proud of them. Like, seriously, like, I think they've had like so far like 4 title songs, and each of them is like amazing except Stop It. I hate it. I hated Stop It so much. But besides that, like, each one had a different concept. Like, besides Power and War being, I don't know, kind of similar, I guess. But almost each one's like different concept, and they've killed it. Like, they seriously killed it. Like, each concept is amazing. And this concept, like, which is, I don't know, I guess kind of like
emo melancholy or something. Like I don't get. I think it's a song. If it's a breakup song, it's kind of creepy. But besides that, like it's a pretty good song. I actually liked it. And yeah, but the music video is kind of just disturbing of it, and I don't know. It just seems kind of weird. There's not much to comment on it besides the choreography. They haven't shown much of it lately, and I don't know. The song is like I like it slow. It's not like in your face like Power or like Warrior or something like that. Like it's smooth, it's slow. I actually like this. Like it's pretty awesome. I actually like it. And looking at the props of the music video, like I don't know, like it keeps taking me back to 4 minutes volume up, like where like each prop is supposed to symbolize something. I don't know if they meant to, I don't know, make some sort of like symbolic video in it this for this video. I'm not sure, but I don't know if it is like then it would probably make sense. But if there was no symbolism, then it's just I don't know weird glass jars filled with like green fluids just crashing the floor or something. But I don't like the music video. It's not something you can just like analyze in one time. Like you have to watch it, and I guess I have to watch like third time or fourth time until I get it. So I don't know. There's not much to say besides the vocals being awesome. Like Dahyun, like he is honestly amazing. I actually like him a lot, and yeah, that was the music video reaction, and yeah, it was worth it. Like it was worth actually staying up for. And you can see the sun coming out. So yeah, yeah. Favorite, like, subscribe, and yeah, see you next time.